Hello, I'm Robert and welcome to my channel where I discuss everything automated algorithmic trading, or simply algo trading. I released a video talking about the introduction of a stop loss within my grid bot, and I wanted to show the implications of that both in extreme and regular operational situations. So let's take a look at the chart where I'm tracking the balance of my OND account. This would be an extreme case where I took 3 stop losses back to back, and you can see that it had a significant impact on the balance. But here you can see where I took 1 stop loss, and then the account immediately recovered. And even with the extreme case, I still recovered appropriately to the bot's functionality and settings, specifically maintaining the 20 levels that I want exactly within my grid structure. So this is where you can really begin to see in a reasonable way just how the stop loss, when implemented the way I did for this bot, really begins to take a serious protective approach against the runaway market. Now, this is just one part of the picture. Let's look at the actual buys and sells in relation to the stop loss. Now you can see that the buys and sells are quite different and the stop losses are quite small. But the reality is just one stop loss has an implication. And that is always going to be in that context. That one stop loss will have an implication. When you look at the overall picture and you see the benefits though, you can see in this particular situation that it benefited long-term over the short-term losses because it protected the account in a way that was meaningful. Such an approach cannot be underestimated in this type of a trading situation. It is not appropriate in every trading situation, but in this one, it is very appropriate. So as you look at your budget and you look at your positions, think about your worst case scenario. Run the mathematics. Focus on just how bad things can get. And then from there, determine your limits. This tool is a tool of risk mitigation. It is a tool of trying to protect your balance as much as possible, even though you are deliberately taking a loss in that process. It hurts the mind to think about that on a larger scale, but for the situation at hand, it is a critical component of your planning. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. I will be glad to answer them. Thank you for watching, and until next time.